Hello all, this is Mark here from the shading company out here in Austin, Texas. Completing a job of an exterior rolling shutter. Customer called us because they recently installed these slider for him, and he's challenged with water getting through it when it rains. So he gave us a call, and we provided him with this Nautilus Rolling Shutter. It's a hurricane rated shutter, motorized unit, powered by Somfy RTS motors. I'm going to show you how it works. In my hand, I got an RTS remote from Somfy. I'm going to hit the down button. You can see the shutter coming down to its lower limit. This is the Nautilus shutter line of rolling shutters. Very nice shutter. Smooth operation, as you can see. Pretty quiet compared to other rolling shutters. Very nice product designed from Nautilus. As you can see, this shutter has reached its lower limit. The customer will not have any more challenges with the rain. This also is going to provide solar protection inside that room. It's kind of a small TV room that he has. It will also cool the area inside. It will protect it from any type of storms. This shutter is rated to 170 miles an hour. So this area is pretty protected from pretty much all types of environment. I'm going to go ahead and bring it up. The shutter starts coming up to its upper limit. Again, very smooth installation. Very nice installation from our install team here in Austin. Very proud of them. On this Saturday, Labor Day weekend, they chose to provide this shutter for the customer. I want to compensate them with a couple of days off here during the week. If you're in the market for any rolling shutter, exterior shading, or interior shading, please don't hesitate to call us. Thank you. This is Mark from the Shading Company.